You're a business owner, and while you're sleeping, all your queries are getting resolved. You didn't hire a team to work day and night. It's just getting automatically resolved using AI Assistant. Yes, this is possible, guys. Now you can create amazing WhatsApp AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills that will resolve 1,000+ inquiries every single day in your business. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Without wasting any time, let me show you how the AI assistant is going to answer to all the questions. This is my WhatsApp AI assistant and I will ask my first question towards this assistant, that is, which city offers the most affordable 3 BHK apartments and how their size and amenities compare across Bhopal, Indore, Mumbai and Delhi. So this is my first question I want to ask towards this bot. It will take few seconds for the AI assistant to generate the reply and send the reply back to me. So I will wait over here for few seconds. You can see I've received a reply. Short answer: Indore offers most affordable 3 BHK apartments in the data set. You can see I have received the reply. Bhopal, over here I've received for Bhopal, Indore, Mumbai, Delhi, comparison summary and recommendation. You can see I have received this very detailed reply by this bot. I have one another question, that is, how can a user schedule a property viewing and what policies should they keep in mind regarding confirmation and cancellation? You can see this is my next question I'm asking towards this AI assistant bot. I will wait for the reply right now. I have received the reply. Here's our schedule of property viewing with Urban Nest Realty and the related policies to keep in mind. I have received step by step that I need to follow in order to do the booking, and I have received other details of policies and everything with the details of the support team as well. I have received this detailed reply. Not just these questions, any questions related to this business, this AI assistant is going to send the reply and resolve your customers or leads inquiries. I have taken the example of real estate agency business in this video, but any business owners, whether you are a fashion owner, skincare brand owner, makeup brand owner, whether you have a salon, a dry fruit shop, a dry fruit business, any business owners can create amazing WhatsApp AI assistant to resolve their queries 24/7, thousands of queries in one single day without hiring a support team. What are you waiting for? Watch this video till the end to know the entire setup of how you can also create this very easy AI assistant. Simply for that, you need to start using Pabbly Chatflow in your business. Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing tool that will help you to easily and efficiently manage WhatsApp conversations in your business. Inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can create amazing AI assistants, WhatsApp chatbot, create broadcast and many more things that will help you to manage your WhatsApp conversations on daily basis. In order to search and access Pabbly Chatflow, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now, if you're a new user, you don't have an account with us, you're logging in for the first time, don't worry, sign up for free from here. And as you will sign up for free for the first time, you will get 100 free credits every month to test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow right away, absolutely for free. And then if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to automate your WhatsApp conversations in your business as well, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime deals. And I have a secret coupon code for you that will get you instant discounts as well on this purchase. The code that you can see on the left side of my screen right here will get you instant discounts. This code is added in the description section also. Go ahead and use it. Sign in, create the account, create the entire setup. If you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features, how the features works. If you want to learn everything about Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links in the description section below. Go ahead, see those videos, come back, then create this amazing AI assistant. Okay, so now I've already created the account setup. After coming to the dashboard, you have to go towards this AI assistant section, and after coming right over here, click on this AI assistant option, add AI assistant option to create the AI assistant. And now we have to name our assistant first. For the name of my assistant, I will give it as create an AI customer support chatbot. Okay, so this is the name of my assistant. You can give the name of your assistant whatever you want. I will add the assistant from here, and you will see right over here the assistant has been created. Now we have to just complete 4 sections in order to create this AI assistant, and all those sections are super easy. Over here, first we have to select the AI instruction type. I will select my instruction type as AI agent from here. You can select the other instruction type according to your requirement. According to the type, the instructions of this AI is added right over here. If you want, you can eliminate or add in other points according to your requirement. After that, we need to set up the temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies and 1 being creative replies from this AI assistant towards our customers or leads. I will set up my temperature of replies as 0.5. AI to use, there is only one AI that we can currently use, that is OpenAI, so I will select it. Model, I will use GPT-5 mini. Remember, OpenAI account should be paid in order to create this amazing AI assistant. Okay, next you have to enter the API key, which you will find in your OpenAI account itself. Go towards this hyperlink, you will directly come to OpenAI API keys page. Then you have to create the key from here, name the key whatever you want. So let's suppose I will name the key as new key, project as default, give permissions as all, create the key from here. As now the secret key has been generated, copy this key, paste it, connect this key right here. This is how you build the connection. Now after that, AI assistant settings. If you want the header message and the footer message with all the messages that is forwarded by this AI assistant towards your leads or customers, you can toggle the button on and add in the header footer message. Stop keyword. So let's suppose you want that customers should have a stop keyword that will allow them to stop the help of the assistant. You can add the stop keyword by toggling this button on right here. If you want the retry attempt inside your AI assistant, you can toggle the button on and do that. And last is fallback message. This message is only forwarded if this API key is not responding correctly. Then this message is forwarded. If you want, you can edit that as well. First setup of AI instructions is completed. Let's move on to our knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? Knowledge source is the source from where AI assistant is going to learn about your business. Now, whatever business you have, you can create a document where you explain what your business is about, when it started, policies, services, products. Create a detailed document of your business from top to bottom, as many pages as you want. If there is text, you can create n number of pages document, but if there are images included in your PDF file, only 10 pages is the limit. Okay, so now you can create this long document where you explain everything about your business step one by one, and then simply upload that document right over here. I have created a knowledge base, so I'm going to upload that knowledge base right over here. So I will upload this PDF file. Two types of files are accepted, TXT and PDF. Okay, I have uploaded this knowledge base right here. Let me show you the knowledge base that I've created. So I've created this knowledge base over here. You can see Urbanness Realty. I've added every single detail about my business right over here. And using that knowledge base, I will be training my assistant about my business, and then the assistant is going to send all the replies. I've uploaded the file. Next, it is asking for the assistant interface. Now, what is this assistant interface? Let's suppose if you want to add this assistant on your website. If you have a website and you want to add this assistant just like this on the corner, you can do that with Pabbly Chatflow as well. Okay. Now, assistant interface is going to help us to change the text or anything according to our requirement from here. Let's suppose I want to add my brand name, so I can add my business name right over here. So let me add in business name. I can add the business name right over here according. You can add your business name right over here according to you. If you want to change this line, you can definitely do that. Change the initial message, you can do that. If you want this powered by Pabbly to be removed, you can do that. If you want to add in another footer text and link, you can add that over here as well. Last is user's first message. Let's suppose the user is directly contacting towards this AI assistant on WhatsApp. What is the usual first message that your assistant receives? You have to enter that first message right over here. Our third setup of assistant interface is also completed. One last is left. That is only required if you're adding this AI assistant on your website. If you want to change the color, background, profile picture, shape, or anything from here, you can do that from the styling section. I don't want that, so I will skip the part, and our AI assistant is completed. Yes, it's super easy. It's like completing 4 simple sections and you have an entire assistant created for yourself. We have done that. Now activate this assistant from toggling this button on and save the assistant from here. If you're planning to add this assistant on your website, go to embedded, copy the script, add the script on your website code. Assistant is added on your website as well. See, this is super easy. Like anyone can create this assistant without need of any tech knowledge. Now, as we have created this assistant successfully, now let's test it out again. And how? I will ask one last question towards this assistant on WhatsApp, as now we have created it again. So my last question over here is going to be, explain the complete process of a client should follow to buy a property, what documents they will need at each step. This is my last question I'm asking towards this assistant, and let's see what kind of a reply this assistant gives back to me with this question. It usually takes few seconds for the assistant to know about the question, generate the reply, and give and send the reply back to your customers or leads. So you might have to wait for a few seconds. Now let's test how this assistant is going to send me the reply. And yes, you can see in front of you, I've received the reply. Below is the end-to-end process of Urbanness Realty recommends for buying a property, while specific documentations you will need. And you can see I have received all kinds of steps and documentations that I might require while purchasing the property. I've received very detailed reply. As I've received this reply, that means this assistant is working successfully. Now, what if you want that this assistant that you have created should be automatically enabled to all the users who are sending the messages from their side, not from your website? In that case, to auto-enable the assistant, go towards settings and inbox settings section. After coming to inbox settings, scroll down till this AI auto reply settings. Enable this over here. Add rule right over here. Select the contact list to whom you want to automatically enable this assistant to, and then simply select the assistant that you want to automatically enable. After selecting the details, save this rule from here, and automatically to all the contacts this assistant is going to be assigned on WhatsApp. Now with that, if you want to assign this assistant to a specific contact only, not to all the contact list, for that simply go towards inbox section, select any of the contacts to whom you want to assign this assistant to, toggle the button on of this choose assistant from below the phone number, select the assistant that you want to automatically enable, save this rule from here, and to this chart you will see this assistant has been assigned successfully. So this is how you create amazing AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills. If you have questions related to this video, comment on below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Go and check out the code I've added in the description section. You can check out the code on the left side of my screen as well. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.